Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by identifying true turkey tail using concentric colored zones and a thin, leathery texture. Avoid any specimen with mold or insect holes. Harvest or buy fruiting bodies that are firm and dry. Do not use very old, soft pieces. Gently clean each cap by brushing or clipping away debris. Avoid soaking in water. Trim the tough, woody base with a sharp knife and discard it. Weigh the cleaned mushrooms. Start with 100-200 grams fresh to reliably yield roughly 20-40 grams of finished powder. Arrange trimmed turkey tail pieces in a single layer on dehydrator trays so air flows around each piece. Set the dehydrator to 120 degrees F, 49 degrees C, and dry for 6-8 hours, checking after 4 hours and rotating trays as needed until crisp. If you do not have a dehydrator, use the oven on its lowest setting, roughly 140 degrees F, with the door slightly cracked and a fan if available, checking every hour for 4-6 hours. Properly dried pieces should be brittle and snap cleanly with no flecks or damp spots. Once the turkey tail is completely dry and brittle, break it into smaller flakes and place them in a high-speed spice grinder, coffee grinder reserved for herbs, or powerful blender. Grind in short pulses until you obtain a fine, consistent powder. Pass through a fine mesh sieve if you want a very smooth texture and regrind larger pieces. Transfer the powder immediately to an airtight, light-proof jar and store in a cool place below 25 degrees C. Properly stored powder keeps for up to 12 months. Start with 1-2 grams per day, approximately 1/4 to 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.